Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the product activation field in MS Word. So if you encounter this error message product activation failed, then for sure we are going to fix that in today's video. So for that, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Explorer. Click on File Explorer under the best match. Now you have to click on this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive and then you need to look for the program files. This one, program files folder. Double click. Then scroll down and you'll find Microsoft Office. Now in case if you cannot find the Microsoft Office in your program files, go back to the Windows C drive and then you can also look for the Microsoft Office folder in the program files x86. So you can simply look for that. Now let's go back to program files. Look for the Microsoft Office folder, double click, and you'll find this folder Office 16, double click, and you'll find this option OSPP Rearm. It's OSPP Rearm. Now what we can do, we need to run this as administrator for 3 times. So make a right click, select run as administrator. That is for a first time. Now for the second time, make a right click, select run as administrator. That is for the second time. And now for the third time, make a right click and then select run as administrator. So you have to do that for 3 times. And once done, simply close this window and open your MS Word and that product activation failed will be fixed. So as easy as that. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.